Universal Drip Irrigation Pipe Manufacturing was founded in 2000. It is manufacturing all types of irrigation pipes and the main HDPE pipes, in addition to producing drip irrigation machines. Due to the results of holding this sustainable expertise for more than 20 years, our products have been distributed to more than 30 countries around the world as the demand increases significantly for our products in East Asia. Our company has set up a factory in India that is equipped with the latest production drip irrigation machines and lines made by Universal itself. Universal is supplying all the requirements of drip and sprinkler irrigation systems, such as pools, plastic, filtration, and fertigation systems, in addition to automated control devices for the irrigation process, and many more. One of Universal's services is studying, designing, and engineering the big irrigation projects. As a result of maintaining a high level of quality and the continuity of development, Universal has been awarded the ISO certificate, ISO 9001, 2015. Since we are keen on increasing the level of safety and security at work for our employees and providing all safety and training equipment, we obtained the ISO certificate for occupational safety and health, ISO 45001, 2018. Owing to applying the international standards to protect the environment by Universal, led it to obtain the ISO certificate for environmental preservation, ISO 14001, 2018. Since our factory does not produce any pollutant emissions to prevent environmental pollution, in addition to that, we produce recyclable products.